Interesting thing, though, is immediately after that civil case was filed, the plaintiff's counsel sought to take Karen's deposition in the civil case.
What?
And yep, sought to take Karen's deposition in the civil case, notwithstanding the fact that there was a second criminal trial coming. And her lawyers, the insurance defense counsel, went into court and appropriately got a stay of that deposition testimony because she had a second criminal trial coming up in April, and she would have a Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate herself. So the court entered the stay, and then he went ahead and tried to get depositions of her parents in February, and that's where we jumped in and said, no, this is an end run to get information that might help the prosecution. They were not witnesses to anything.
Right.
They need to be, so that was really the crux of the argument that we made, was that there was no need to take anyone's deposition in February when you've got a discovery deadline in the civil case that expires in August of 2026. So there was no urgency. It was really just an end run to help the prosecution in the criminal case.
I was going to say, did they not know about the second criminal case? Why would they schedule a deposition for a defendant in a criminal case? That could be used against her, and it would be admissible as a prior statement, a sworn statement, I imagine, to some degree, would it not?
Absolutely. And if you recall from the criminal case, Karen's words were very important.
Yes.
They were used against her, manipulated and distorted as the defense team showed. But anything she might have said to her parents arguably could have been used in the criminal trial. Not that she would have said anything that was incriminating, but you just don't know what is going to come from a deposition in a civil case and have to anticipate how that might be used in a criminal case when she has an absolute constitutional right not to say anything at any time. So that's why those depositions it was important that they not go forward, because she had a right to remain silent and not have to testify in the criminal trial.